Out of here.
Hold on, Mr. Rushing out the door. You haven't had your breakfast yet.
No,
I know. Tick, tick, tick. Look, you've got time for...
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Gotham City Police Department. A man who calls himself the Joker is terrorizing Gotham City at this moment with his beatboxing skills. We would highly recommend to not go out of your home at this time.
Why so serious? Why so serious?
It is over, Joker. I am the best beatboxer in Gotham.
Bring your tray. Bring your title. Bring your wife. We'll fuck her. That's right, we'll fuck your wife.